one we need to remember all the time. And it reminded me of my stepfather, as you surprised me with a 30-year celebration of being ordained a minister. I was very fortunate to have my parents and my stepfather, including my stepfather, at my ordination in 1993. They were sitting in the audience, and it was incredible that when they asked the parents to stand up, my stepfather, Henry, did not stand up. And my mom had to drag him up to stand up, because this man was more of a father to me than anyone ever could have been a father to me. And, the song reminded me, because Henry was a barber for 50 or 60 years. And my dad, my biological father, was a lawyer. And it was such a neat thing to be able to live with my mom and stepfather and in apartments and to live that life, and also to spend time with my dad and see his life. And one thing that is so clear from my own personal experience is that this humble man, my stepfather, who was just so kind and so generous with what he had, that truly what Daniel was singing is so true.